कंगना ने इंडस्ट्री में फैली गंदगी को एक्सपोज करने की खाई कसम। आखिर क्या कहा कंगना ने, आइए जानते हैं। यूँ तो कंगना रनौत और सुशांत सिंह राजपूत ने कभी साथ में स्क्रीन स्पेस शेयर नहीं किया, लेकिन इन दोनों में काफी सिमिलैरिटीज है। दोनों ही छोटे शहर से एक ख्वाब लेकर मुंबई आए और दोनों ने ही एक्टर बनने के सपने को पूरा किया और इंडस्ट्री में अपने शानदार काम के दम पर न सिर्फ एक मुकाम हासिल किया, बल्कि कम समय में ही दर्शकों के भी फेवरेट बन गए। इनफैक्ट सुशांत ने एक बार ये भी कहा था कि वो कंगना के साथ काम करना चाहते हैं। उन्होंने कंगना की तारीफ करते हुए कहा था, I want to work with Kangana Ranaut because she has a lot of potential and is an amazing performer। अब लोगों का सुशांत और कंगना को एक साथ बड़े पर्दे पर देखने का सपना भी अधूरा ही रह गया। लेकिन फिलहाल सुशांत के जाने से एक नई जंग सोशल मीडिया पर छिड़ चुकी है और सब सुशांत के मौत को लेकर तरह तरह की बातें कर रहे हैं। वही रिपोर्टेडली मुकेश भट्ट ने सुशांत के बारे में ये कहा था कि उन्हें एहसास हो गया था कि सुशांत के साथ कुछ बुरा होने वाला है और कि वो परवीन बाबी जैसे बन रहे थे। मुकेश भट्ट के इन बातों पर भड़की कंगना रनौत। उन्होंने कहा, मुकेश भट्ट is now claiming that Sushant was heading the Parveen Babi way, but what they did to Parveen Babi everybody remembers। कंगना ने आगे कहा, also after Mahesh Bhatt met with Hrithik Roshan post our relationship went downhill, he went on record and declared that whatever proof Hrithik has shown him, he has seen a tragedy in the making। Referring to me, he also declared that a tragic end is very near। I wonder what made him say it। It's been 4 years and no tragedy took place। Why was he sure that there is a tragedy on the anvil? Why was he so sure that my end is near? Now his brother is jumping into this whole thing and claiming that Sushant was turning Parveen Babi। Who is he to say that? Sushant was a rank holder। He also left a scholarship from Stanford University to pursue his dreams, something that Bhatt children cannot even think of। Tomorrow if their children hang themselves on the roof and somebody jumps up and comments that it just happened because they were becoming like Parveen Babi, I want to see how they feel about it। Sushant and I had never interacted, at least I don't remember it particularly, but we had many close friends like Sandeep Singh and Kamal Jain। There were many people who were so close to Sushant, I pretty much knew what was going on in his life because they were very fond of him and very close to him। In fact, when this news came to me, I immediately called Kamal ji and I asked, Kamal ji, what happened? Do you know anything? इस कॉन्वर्सेशन को याद करते हुए कंगना ने आगे कहा, Kamal ji told me that he had spoken with Sushant last Monday and he was very disturbed। He mentioned that he had never spoken like that before। He had told Kamal ji, make a big film with me yaar। I have given Chhichore, I have given a hit film, but I still don't have any big films। I don't have the work I want। Kamal ji assured him to do something together once the lockdown is lifted। They were supposed to meet on Thursday, but then this happened, so clearly he was anxious